going on, guys? So another day in Tokyo. Right now we're going from Shinjuku all the way to Yokohama. So my sister-in-law Yasu's been our navigator. There goes Denji, can't wait. So right there, it's a nice day in Tokyo. People playing soccer. Then we have one more train to take. I'm not sure, but today at least the trains are not as packed. It'll be a different story later on. Yep, so we're here. We made it in Yokohama. Just got out of the train. It wasn't that packed today. We had seats, so it wasn't that bad. But here we go. Hopefully we can go to the NISMO Museum. Hopefully. We're gonna go ahead and take a taxi and kind of go from there. We want to check out the city anyway, but you know, there's a couple of things of interest. Gotta visit the Omori Factory and NISMO Factory. From there, maybe the Autobacks. Alright, so we came accidentally to the Nissan actual plant, the Yokohama plant. Right there, area 3. This is where they make them. Yeah. So we have to walk a little further up to make it to the Omori one. But I just wanted to show at least a lot of the cars Nissans come from.
I know, but let's be proper.
So after some walking, I think we found an entrance. Hopefully we get to go in. If not, at least I can say I was here. Shout out to Ben and Yesenia for helping me get out here, because I wouldn't know.
Right up to the right.
300ZX. Here we are.
Right, it's here. It's here.
All made out of PCR die-cast parts. You got right there a customer car getting worked on. You got an Omori Factory R34 GTR. R33 right there. RB26. This DR38 DCT S1 is $2,005,000. That's like around $19,000. This one is 4,300,000 yen. So it's like probably like 30 something thousand. And this one doesn't have a price, so pretty pricey.
Stay with me.
Alright guys, so we're done with the showroom. I had quite a bit. Ferrari. Alright guys, so we're right here outside the NISMO showroom, and it was super dope to be able to see the RB26 engines, the DQ38 engines as well. And also they did have like a gift shop, and I couldn't help myself guys. I ended up buying a bunch of small stuff that is not really available. It's available in the States, but it's a lot more expensive. And over here I ended up buying a bunch of stuff, so I'll show you guys later. Right now we just ordered a taxi. We're gonna make our way to the Autobacks over here in Yokohama, and just to kind of do some car shopping stuff and, you know, little stuff like that. And then from there, probably get something to eat. I'm not too sure. We're kind of just winging it as we're going. The main thing was to come here to the NISMO showroom. At least I can say I've been here. You know, I have my G35 with a lot of NISMO stuff on it, and also I have my S14. The only thing I have is a NISMO shift knob. So I did find that here, but I ended up getting the second one, second shifter for that one, just because why not? I'm already here. So till next time, guys.